This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heliana Perez. Come to paradise. Gorgeous and completely rebuilt 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms corner condo surrounding by a peaceful and beautiful garden view. As you entering this home, you will feel the love, the peace and the charm of this unique and tastefully decorated castle of one of the most searched condominiums in Deerfield Beach. Spend your days sitting by a tranquil garden in your private balcony off the living room, or just go strolling by the lake or enjoying the peaceful public park close by. You will discover how wonderful and peaceful life can be. Best location next to all major highways, restaurants and supermarkets. For more information, review the details below or contact Heliana Perez at 954-547-8917.